Well, in this video, just talking about, I've been doing a little work out here on a renovation job, aka my home. I just wanted to say this is the first snake that I've encountered all winter, and it's the smallest. I might have encountered a lot, but maybe they were all like being chopped up while I was encountering them, so I didn't know that they were actually snakes. Because I work a lot with a hoe and rakes that are metal and things like that, so they're usually like very sharp stuff. And I dig in the woods a lot, so I should have seen like millions of snakes, I'm sure, but this is the first one I've actually seen alive. This little booger right here. I don't know what kind of snake it is. At first I didn't know what it was. He was playing dead, but this is it. I don't know what kind of snake it is, though. I don't know. I'm actually terrified of snakes, but I've watched so many snake videos that I developed the balls to pick it up by the tail, because I've seen that it is very effective, apparently. I don't know what kind of snake this is, though. For all I know, it can be a damn copperhead. I'm over here picking it up like it's a damn garden snake. If you know what kind of snake this is, please leave a comment in the, and let me know what kind of snake it is. I don't know. This is the first snake. Of all the digging I do, this is the first one I've seen alive. I'm gonna go free him. But he's pretty laid back. He ain't tried to bite me. I don't know what kind of snake it is. What kind of snake is that, you guys? Hope I didn't injure its tail. What kind of snake is that, y'all? I don't know. It looks venomous. If it is venomous, how venomous? I don't know, but he's not gonna die on my watch. So I'm gonna have to free him. Because a lot of animals have died on my watch. Because I'm not knowing how to take care of them properly. It's not gonna happen today with this little fella. I'm sure that we can share living space. Right now he's in a pose like he wants to attack me. But he's just curious. See what I got going on. There you go, little buddy. They're working on my yard. I dug up all of this